Hello and welcome everyone to the channel IT Simplified. In today's video, I'm here to give you 5 Azure tips which will help you to reduce your VM cost. So tip number 1, make use of reserve instances. Now you can consume your services by going pay as you go, or you can deploy your virtual machine on a reserve instances basis, basically locking down your resources for 1 year or 3 years. So if you know that your compute sizes or compute needs are not going to change, I will say make use of 1 year, 3 year reserve instances, because you can make a saving of 40 to 60% as compared to pay as you go model. And the good thing is that now you can also make these payments on a monthly basis, very similar to pay as you go. Tip number 2, make use of Azure hybrid benefit. I see a lot of customers, they are bringing their workloads from on-prem to the cloud. And if they have licensing from on-prem with software assurance, they can bring these workloads to the cloud and save on the money by using Azure hybrid benefit. And this saving can be anything between 30 to 40%. So definitely make use of these hybrid benefit when you're trying to deploy the virtual machines within Azure environment. Tip number 3, make use of spot instances. Spot instances is one of the new options within Azure deployment. So if you have a deployment in which you can disrupt those services, for example, if you are using this for batch services, the only disadvantage is that this can be stopped, these machines can be stopped anytime. So if you're in that kind of scenario, you can definitely use spot instances and you can make a saving of 90% as compared to pay-as-you-go pricing. Tip number 4, make sure that you deallocate your virtual machines. What does that mean? I've seen that a lot of customers, they go and shut down the operating system, but the way you are charged in cloud, or in fact in any cloud, is that for how long these machines are running. So if you don't go inside the Azure portal and deallocate your machine from there, your compute costs still be there. So make sure, go inside the Azure portal, deallocate the machine whenever you don't need those resources. And finally, tip number 5, there are different instances size that you can use within Azure deployment. You have A series, B series, and you can go all the way up to even a GPU accelerated machine like N series machine. And each machine has a specific cost associated with that. So it's very important that you right size your machine. Microsoft provides you a lot of built-in metrics which you can utilize just to gauge what is the performance parameters, and based on that you can tweak your workloads and right size the virtual machine, because at the end of the day it's going to save you a lot of money every month from the compute perspective. So these are the 5 tips from my side which will help you to reduce the Azure VM cost. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.